The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he came back in the conquest of Mecca with 12,000 of his Sahaba, one of the great warriors of the Sahaba, he sees the thousands of Muslims coming in and he says, Al-Yawm, Yawm al-Malhama. Today is the day of massacre. We're going to get our revenge. Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, Al-Yawm, Yawm al-Marhama. He says, today is the day of mercy. Because further on, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then addresses the chiefs of Quraysh, he says, what do you think I'm going to do with you today? And so they say, you're the son of a noble brother, noble man. You're good, you'll never do anything bad to us. So what is the response of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He says, idhabu. He says, go. فَأَنْتُمُ الطُّلَقَاء. For you are free.